Alright everybody, what we have here is a Maytag 2000 series dryer that is currently not turning on. So I'm going to turn it on and I'm going to go to hit the power button, the start button, and we're not getting anything. It doesn't matter where we put it, same thing. In order to figure this out, I actually had to take it to a service tech, and he worked on this thing for 3 days, and he told me that he had done this for 30 years and he had never run into this problem. And I'm going to show you, before you call a service tech, if you have a Maytag 2000 series and it will not turn on and it just gives you this beep, we put it in diagnostics mode. It didn't show anything. We replaced switches. We replaced several things. I want to show you what the fix ended up being. Open the door. You got the switch right here. Okay. For whatever reason, the clearances, something is bent on this door, and the clearances just aren't what they should be. I took this metal tape here and put a nickel on there. You're going to want to put it right there in the recess part of the door. Okay. Put the nickel in there, put the tape on there like that, okay? Shut the door, come over here, hit start, and you're in business. I hope that helps someone to avoid a huge appliance repair bill. Have a great day.